Hi viewers, welcome back to our new video, and you are watching a Mechatronic Solutions channel. And this one you can see, this one is the JCB BoomLoader, and I'm going to change its gear shifter because its gear shifter is not working. So now I'm entering the cabin. So here you can see I've entered. I'm inside the cabin now. I have with me this new one. Okay, so this is a new one, so I'm going to change it. So what I will do, so first here you can see I will remove this cover. I will first remove this steering. Okay, this one is a 24 number nut is here. Okay, so first I remove this one. After I will remove this steering. After here you can see this cover. This is this cover, this cover. Here you can see there the two screws are here. Okay, I will remove this screw. After this plate will open, okay, and this will free. You can see it's very easy. I can open it. Two, I little like this. You can see is not big. It's become loose. So in this way we can remove this steering. Okay, and you can see here are 4 bolts. Okay, I remove this bolt. After can easily these plates will open. So I'm going to off camera here. I want to save the time, your people. So here can you see I have removed the 4 bolt from here. Okay, that 1 2 3 4 Allen key bolt here. This you can see these 4 Allen key bolt removed from here. So now here you can see it is a this is a free. Okay. One also two screw Allen key screw was here, or bolt or screw, whatever you can see. This is a bolt. One is here, and one third number here, and fourth number. These 4 bolt I will remove. So as you can see, I have removed this gear shifter old one from here from this grip. Okay, so this one is a old one. I removed it, okay, from this side area. So now is a new one. Okay, this new one I'm going to fix it. Not a big deal. This grip on this side I just put there. It's a little difficult because the grip is little down, but I think it's okay. So now I have fixed the grip. This was an other joystick of for lighting. So this one is a gear one. So I fixed this one gear wale. So now I will off the camera, and then off camera I will fix all these things. Here you can see I have fixed these both sticks. This was my gear stick, and this one is my light stick. So I have fixed these sticks. Now I am fixing this plate. It's not no going, this is not, it's tighting with hand. So I will use my this 8 number socket. I tight it. So here I will off the camera, okay, and fix it good one, and I show you. Now the time is to fix this steering. Okay. So now I fix the steering. Here will come washer. This is the washer. So here is a nut. I will tight it. Nut is and tight it. Good one with this. I will catch with hand. So now it's tight with my hand. So you know I have tied this bolt very tight one. Now is every. Now the final this cover. I put this cover. Now my work. I will call the operator and I will check it. The gear is working or not. Okay. So I'm going downside and ask operator come here. Now as the machine has started, now it's going to. So the horn is also working. Now as the machine is okay. So it's going on work. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.